Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey everyone! Today, I'm drawing a happy pencil and eraser. Let's get started.
Okay.
First, I draw the shape of the pencil, nice and tall. Then I add the head and the nib at the bottom. Now I draw the top part of the pencil, where the design and colors go. Next, I draw the eyes and a cute face right in the middle to give it personality. Then, I draw the eraser. It looks like a boy.
Nice.
Yes.
Whoa!
Time to color.
Nice.
I start by coloring the main pencil body red.
Nice. Wow.
Then I color the top section with yellow, green, and blue, nice and bright.